Hi friends, this is your Python partner here, and now we are going to see a very small program where we are just going to generate a sequence of numbers and we are just going to find minimum, maximum and as well as the sum of numbers. So let's go. So in this example, I have taken a variable numbers and I have given that list of range of 1, 501, 2. And I hope you already watched the video that I made on range of function. If you haven't done that, go back to that video and watch it. Then you come back here. I'll include the same in a link of that in a description box. Others you can follow. So in range of function, we know the first number 1 is the starting point and second number 501 is the ending point. And our sequence will start from 1 and it will stop at 500 because the last value will not be included. That you know already. Okay. Now what about this third number? Why have I added third number here? So this number is going to decide the step size of the sequence. Like how many values this range of function has to skip in order to generate the sequence of numbers. Okay. In order to decide that, this third number is included. So here in this range of function, here in this example, our sequence will start from 1 and as I have given that number 2 to decide the step size, 1 plus 2 is 3. So our second number would be 3 and again 3 plus 2, 5. Our third number would be 5. Then 5 plus 2, our fourth number will be 7. 7 plus 2, 9. So our fifth number will be 9. So it goes on and stops at 499. Why? Because 499 plus 2 is 501. And here 501 is the n number. As it is an n number, it will not be printed. So our program stops at the number 499. So here we have already generated a number sequence using this range of function. I hope you really understand that. If instead of 2, I'm just going to give 3 here, then our sequence would start from 1, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 3, 7, likewise. I hope you really understand this. So friends, once again concentrate, this third number is just going to decide that how many numbers we have to skip in order to generate our sequence of numbers. Okay. It isn't really necessary. If you want or if you have any certain condition to generate a sequence of number by leaving some numbers in between, you can just go for this. Else don't want. You can just. And what is the use of this list of function? We have generated a sequence of numbers using range of function. And we have just included or passed this range of function into list of function. The thing is, now this sequence is already made into a list. Okay. So using that list of function. That is the use of the list of function. And now I'm going to print the numbers. Now you can clearly see it is a list. It is a complete list starting from 1, 3, 5, 7 and the list stops at 499. Fine. And in Python we have some 3 functions which will be very useful for you here. So now we have to find smallest number from the list and as well as biggest number from the list. For that we have 2 functions. One is minimum of function, another is maximum of function. In minimum of function, this is going to get you the smallest number from the list which you are really going to pass inside that. And as well as maximum of function helps you detect the biggest number from inside that list. Okay. So minimum of numbers and maximum of numbers. Here is your output. The smallest number is 1 and your biggest number, that is maximum of number, is 499. Okay. And now comes the function sum of. It will help you to sum the number of items inside the list. Like 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus, if you're going to do it like that, it will be very tough task for you, right? So it will be very useful if you're just going to use this inbuilt function inside Python, that is sum of. Inside that sum of function, if you're going to pass in the list where you have to find the sum of all that items, sum of all that numbers inside the list, you can use this thing. That's it friends, and now you can try this along with, you just change the step size. Okay, you can give any other numbers and generate a different sequence and you do all those operations and you just play around with this concept so that all these concepts will be stick in your mind and it will be very useful. So yes friends, join me in this journey of learning. Let's make this journey more interesting. Bye bye. Take care.